a journalist is quite special for me in Hyderabad. So thank you, Andy. Thank you so much. And today we are opening the doors for TBZ Jewels in the city of Pearls, Hyderabad, and this is our second. So I'm sorry. We already have two branches in Hyderabad, and this is our third store in Hyderabad. And this is a moment for that pride that's coming inside me that I have been called to inaugurate the third store in Hyderabad. It's truly being an honor and privilege for me to be associated with such a big jewelry brand and to be working for them. And let me tell you, jewelry for me is something quite personal. It has to do a lot with emotions, and it is rightly said that diamonds are girls' best friends. And I truly stand by this quote. And today, what I'm wearing, this dazzling set from TBZ Collections. And let me tell you one thing, this is original diamonds worth, it just mentioned there, 65, 75 lakh rupees and overall one CR. So bhai, मैं बहुत thank you, and I'm not feeling less than 1 Lakshmi right now. So thank you so much everyone, TBZ brand, for having me here and making me a part of your success. It really means a lot, and of course I'm looking forward to have a long-term collaboration with you. Hope it's not the first and the last one. And just want to say they have come up with amazing collection. Like your jewelry is actually, sir, your jewelry is actually showing that the blend and the amalgamation of culture, heritage. I mean every piece is actually telling its own history, story behind the designs. So I'm really fond of jewelry, and today I'm wearing 1 crore ka. So yeah, really happy, quite exuberant to be here, sir. Thank you, Nitesh garu.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. I'm in the marketing for TBZ. We are based out of Mumbai corporate office, but I am from Hyderabad. So that is the reason I got opportunity to talk to Telugu. So first of all, we are thank you for coming. I think we started a little bit late, but it's okay, it's fine. So we compensate it. And thank you for Raj for coming here. So we were just 150 years plus old brand. And as Madam rightly said, we are known for our unique designs. So our first one was in Panchakutta, and after that in Bashirwar. And Hyderabad people know about our brand, and it is our opportunity to open in the high-tech city and IT city like Mondapur. So I think the kind of patronage we got from different customers across the city, we hope the same support the customer will done for this store also. We have our own in-house manufacturing where we make these unique designs for diamond as well as unique designs for gold. Each of this piece is very different from each one another. It is not that same piece, ప్రతి పీస్ ఒక స్టోరీ ఉంటుంది, ఒక హెరిటేజ్ ఉంటుంది. మరి టెంపుల్ కలెక్షన్ స్పెషల్ ఉన్నాయి ఫర్ సౌత్ కోసం. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ వి హావ్ జెడావ్ కలెక్షన్ విచ్ మేడమ్ ఇస్ వేరింగ్ నౌ. We have exclusive diamond collection, and every piece is uniquely crafted for that region, for the customers which are part of that city. So we are proud. I think all over India we are having more than 35 stores. So we are happy to open the third store here in Hyderabad. And at the same time, one more good news is we opened today in Ahmedabad also. We are opening another store in the same day in Ahmedabad today. So once again, thank you everyone. So I request if you have any questions for Payal Rajput regarding the brand or regarding the jewelry, you can ask her. But once again, thank you madam for coming here. Thanks a lot.
I don't know why, Nitesh garu, but I'm feeling super excited and super happy right now. You can see the smile on my face, like wearing such jewelry. बहुत ही खुशी मिल रही है. आ जाओ भाई, आ जाओ तुम भी. बहुत शुक्रिया.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions regarding TBZ, so you can ask. You can proceed now.
So you can take the pictures with her.
Yeah.
That will be better.
इनको बोलने की जरूरत ही, मैं खुद ही बोलती रहती हूँ. Andarki Namaskaram, hello Hyderabad, and thank you so much to all the media who have come here to grace our event. It really means a lot. Your support actually means a lot. And today we all have gathered here for the grand launch of TBZ brand, jewelry brand, one of the biggest brands we have in Hyderabad. And I'm feeling really proud that they have called me to inaugurate the third store in Hyderabad, in Kondapur. They already have 2 stores in Hyderabad, which are flourishing and growing by leaps and bounds. So congratulations, Andy. Thank you. And నాకు invite చేయడానికి and of course I'm looking forward for a long term collaboration with this brand. I don't know why the moment I stepped inside I felt such positive vibes over here. और आज मैंने 1 करोड़ की ज्वेलरी पहनी हुई है और मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अमीर हो गई हूँ. तो थैंक यू सो मच अंडी. एंड जस्ट वांट टू से jewelry is not just an ornament, it's an emotion. It has to do a lot with emotions, and it is truly said that diamonds are girls' best friend, and I truly stand by this quote. So today I'm wearing this dazzling set from the collection. It is uncut piece. I don't know jarau. So jarau I'm wearing today, and I'm sure my mom gonna be really happy seeing me like this, and I'm not feeling less than Mata Lakshmi. So thank you so much for this opportunity, and I'm really happy to be here. Quite exuberant. Collections are amazing. You should check their temple collection, their jarau collection, their pearl sets. So everything is so amazing over here. And I'll tell you one more thing. See, I have a middle class mentality because I'm born and raised in a middle class family. So whenever I remember my childhood, when we used to go with mama to some luxurious, jewelry store or something, हमेशा दिमाग में रहता था अरे यार this is going to be very costly. It is going to cost me a fortune. But this is not the way. This is not the things over here. They are offering amazing discounts and they are running amazing offers. So you guys should actually visit Kondapur TBZ brand, and yeah, they are coming up with lot of options here.
And me first ఏమన్నా expensive ఏమన్నా మీ మదర్కి గిఫ్ట్ ఇచ్చారా
Jewelry. Yeah, right now she just asked me something. I have to gift her actually. The Kangals I have to gift her. So I think anytime soon I'm going to do that.
ఫస్ట్ పర్చేస్ చేసిన జ్యువెలరీ
The simple gold chain.
అండ్ ఇంకా సిల్వర్ జ్యువెలరీ అండ్
I love silver. I really love silver. So I want to see that collection also. I love silver over diamond and over gold. So
అబౌట్ యువర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్
my projects very soon will be going on floor with Venkat Lakshmi and one Tamil, a few Punjabi. सब करूँगी बॉस सब.
మెసేజ్ టు యువర్ ఫ్యాన్స్
Mangalvaram. That you have to ask to Ajay Garu, Adgandi, and then Tarvata Chepandi.
అండ్ మెసేజ్ టు యువర్ ఫ్యాన్స్
Huh?
మెసేజ్ టు యువర్ ఫ్యాన్స్
Message to my fans, just one thing, that I love you more than you guys do. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ आपका बाइक
मैडम ने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू एवरीवन మీరందరూ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన దానికి ఐ థింక్ గుడ్ దట్ వీఆర్ లాంచింగ్ దిస్ థర్డ్ స్టోర్ ఇన్ కొండాపూర్ Tribhuvan Das Bhimji Jewelry, which is TBZ. We already have 2 stores in Hyderabad, Panjagutta and Bashirba, and this is our 3rd store in High-Tech City. So we are catering to all the audiences of Cyberabad to come and explore our new showroom in Kondapur, which have a huge range of diamond, gold and Jeddah collection. We have each piece, as Madam said, is different. It tells a story. It is about the heritage. It's about the craftsmanship. It is about the detailing. But at the same time, it is very affordable also, like she said. We have a perception that everything is so expensive, but that is not the case. But there are pieces which starts at lower price also. There are earrings. Yeah, there are rings that we sell. There are bracelets. So there are so many things to offer here. So it is an entire family store. Brides, everything is there for something the other. So మీరు అందరు రండి కొండాపూర్లో ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వచ్చి ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయండి. యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ సిగ్నేచర్ పీసెస్.
It's a one-stop solution for all your needs.
కలెక్షన్స్ గురించి అంటే మధ్యతరగతి వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ అందుబాటులో
అన్నీ ఉన్నాయండి, అదే చెప్పాను. ఇప్పుడు మధ్య తరగతి వాళ్ళంటే మన దగ్గర చిన్న పీసెస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. 22 క్యారెట్స్లో మన దగ్గర రింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బ్యాంగిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కంగన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, బ్రాస్లెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. డైమండ్లో కూడా చాలా చిన్న పీసెస్ ఉన్నాయండి. సో మన డైమండ్ మన స్పెషాలిటీ ఏమంటే మన ఓన్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ ఉంది. సో యూ కెన్ కస్టమైజ్ ద వే యూ వాంట్ ఆల్సో. యూ హ్యావ్ పర్టికులర్ డిజైన్ మీకు కావాలి అంటే ఆ డిజైన్ కూడా మేము చేసిస్తాం. సో ఐ థింక్ దెర్ ఈస్ అ సొల్యూషన్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దట్ వీ ఆఫర్ హియర్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ సారీ
ఈ మధ్య గోల్డ్ రేట్ కూడా పెరిగిపోతుంది కదా, అది ఎలా
అంటే దట్ I think you know that it is continuously growing. Gold has కంటిన్యూ పెరుగుతూనే ఉంది. దగ్గర ముఖం ఇప్పటిదాకానే లేదు. సో ఇది వెరీ అంటే సేల్స్ బాగున్నాయండి. ఎందుకంటే మరి ఇట్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ డిజైన్స్. మనం యూనిక్ డిజైన్స్ ఆఫర్ చేస్తే కస్టమర్స్ వస్తారు. సర్వీస్ కూడా ఉంది, కస్టమర్ కేర్, ఒక ట్రస్ట్ కూడా కావాలి. ఎందుకంటే బిగ్ అమౌంట్ కదా, బిగ్ అమౌంట్ పెట్టినప్పుడు జనాలు ఏం చూస్తారు, ఎంత పాత బ్రాండ్ ఇది, ఇలా గోల్డ్ ఎలా ఉంది, ప్యూరిటీ ఎలా ఉంది, ఏమైనా సర్టిఫికేట్స్ ఉన్నాయా. సో దట్ మేక్స్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్స్. వీఆర్ దేర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 160 years and we are the most established brand across the country. So because of trust, because of legacy, because of purity, because of many other things, people come to us. So I think it is opportunity for all the entire Kondapur catchment and even Hyderabad to come and explore this new showroom of us.
And M&A expansion plans.
దాని గురించి మాట్లాడిన we are listed company, so I can't talk about that.